Hi guys, welcome back to the PhD Prep Lab channel. So IISER Pune has released a notification regarding their workshop. So this is basically a skill enhancement for underrepresented groups in education. This is a surge workshop. This is going to be in December and they are not charging any registration fees or whatsoever for this workshop. So this is going to be a very nice workshop. So to know about it more, we have to come to IISER Pune website, and when you click to this website, this page will appear. Have to go down. After you scroll down, you'll find application and more information. You have to click on this link. First, this error thing will appear, but after that, you have to go to site home option. When you click on it, this link will appear, and you have to go to the skill enhancement for underrepresented groups in education 3.0 search option. This is the about the workshop. After you click on it, the workshop page will appear. So here they have mentioned all the necessary information. So let's check it out. So the dates are going to be 21st December to 27th December 2025, and you have to report to IISER Pune on 20th December 2025 if you get selected. The location is going to be IISER Pune. So this is going to be a offline hands-on molecular biology training workshop. This is fully residential. You have to stay at their campus only to attend this workshop. There is no registration or application fee. The organizers will cover it for the accommodation and for the food cost as well. And they will give you a travel reimbursement up to 6,000 rupees. So if your ticket goes above 6,000, you will at least get 6,000 rupees for your travel up and down reimbursement for the selected participants. The number of participants that they are going to select is 26. All the participants will get a certificate of completion after they complete the workshop, and the last date to apply is 15th of October 2025. If you want to contact them regarding the workshop, you can contact via the email that they have provided. Okay, so basically, this program is for those students who come from underprivileged groups who have lack of exposure in instrumentation, molecular biology techniques, who think that there is no career in PhD or research. So this is specially for them. They want to provide this exposure to the students to think about research as a career option. Okay, so they have been conducting this kind of workshop since three times. Before they have conducted two, and this is the third one. Okay, so this is going to be a 7 day long, all expenses paid molecular biology workshop for underrepresented groups in academia. Okay, so this is the content that they have provided. What are going to be in the workshop? The basics first, they will start with lab safety and micropipetting, etc. This preparation and agros till electrophoresis. Then they'll teach you the hands-on RNA extraction, cDNA synthesis, qPCR, quantification of gene expression using cyber green PCR. Then you will learn about PCR insert, purification and ligation, bacterial transformation, blue white screening, um, DNA extraction and clone formation. Then there is protein biology. Under that, you will learn about SDS-PAGE. You'll perform Bradford, Western blotting, enzyme kinetics. In bioinformatics, they have this in silico plasmid editing and primer designing programs for you guys. And they have some special talks on advanced techniques in biology. The talks are going to be very interesting. The talks are actually the main attractions of the workshops. Then you get a lot of exposure on what is going on in today's world in molecular biology. So don't miss out on this opportunity. There is going to be talks as well as hands-on training. So this is a very nice thing that you can apply on. So who can apply? So there are three categories, and you have to fulfill all the three criteria to be able to participate in this workshop. So first, you have to be currently enrolled in any postgraduate, or you have to be in the final year of BSc program. This is especially for life sciences students, or you could be from BTech, MBBS, BAMS, or any other branch in life sciences as well. Second, that you have to be belonging to the category of SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer, EWS, or you have to be a woman to apply for this workshop. If you are a general candidate and you are not a woman, you cannot apply for this workshop. Then you have to be enrolled in the institute from a non-metro category city. Basically, you cannot, your institute that you are studying in currently cannot be from Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, and Pune. If you belong to these cities, if your institution, if your college is in these cities, you cannot apply for this workshop. Okay, so once you check all the criteria, then you have to make sure that whether you are eligible to apply for this or not. Now, there are some documents that they have asked for. You have to submit your current college ID with your clear photo and name and all the details. You have to submit the caste certificate, and that should be uploaded on your Aadhaar card as well. Your OBC candidates must upload their NCL certificate, etc. So this is regarding the caste certificate, and you have to get a no objection certificate signed by the institute that you are currently studying in. They have prescribed the format here. You click on it, just the format will appear. You have to just download this form, you have to fill it up, and you have to get it signed from your institution. Okay, and you have to submit a short CV highlighting your career and extracurricular achievements if you have any in your CV, and you have to submit that also. So you have to apply using a form. This is a Google form. You'll find the link of all the important forms and no objection certificate. Every link you will find in the description box. So this is the Google form that you have to fill, and then you have to submit all the percentage of your semesters and etc. You will be asked a research question in molecular biology, and then you have to propose a research methodology for addressing the same. This is kind of SOP, statement of purpose. This will be graded, and it is a part that is crucial for your selection criteria. Okay, and the form will require the NOC. That is, I have already told you, the last date for application is 15th of October 2025. The names of the shortlisted candidates will appear on 31st October. The selected candidates have to acknowledge and accept the offer for participating in the workshop by due date, for failing which the waitlisted candidates will be given a chance. So this is all about this workshop. They have this name of the workshop instructors that is given here. You can check out their profile also if you want, and this is the name of the event organizer. So this is all that was there in the details of the workshop. I hope that if you are eligible to apply, you don't miss out on this opportunity. This is going to be a nice hands-on skill enhancement training for you guys. So if you have any doubts relating to this workshop, you can mention. You can just write it down to the comment section, and we'll answer it for you guys. And make sure that you like, if you like the video, you give us a thumbs up and you follow our channel for more such updates. Thank you for watching.